Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to share a report in the Power BI service. So let's start. So I've got two tabs open, and as we go along I'll show you what I'm going to do with the other one. So I'm already logged into my account in the Power BI service, and I'll go to the workspace Learn to Excel, and I'll click on my report. And there are multiple options to share this. So I can either share this from this tab, where once I've opened the report I can click share. Or the other option is with this share option, so I can click on this. Either ways, it opens this dialog for us, and we can. So you can see only users with Power BI Pro license will have access to this report. So if you have a premium account and you mark your workspace as a premium workspace, you're able to share it with people who do not even have a professional license. But in case you only have a Pro license, you can only share it with people who have a Pro license. So in this case, I have got a workspace on a Pro license, so I can share it only with users who have a Pro license, Power BI Pro. So I'll just go and select. So I've got a user. So it says allow recipients to share the report with. So what these guys can do is they can reshare the report. So you can uncheck it, so they won't be able to reshare. Allow recipients to build new content and send an email notification. So let's say we want to do that, and we check everything, and I say hi. Sharing the report as discussed. And I'll just hit share, and what it has done is it has sent a mail to the person whoever was marked on this. So I've already got their this email account which I had created for the purpose of the demo. So I'll go in here and I'll refresh, and you can see here that I've got this email for the Power BI report that we've just shared. So I can double click it, and it says that so it gives the name and says I've shared the report with them. So the user can click this link and open this report, but what we will do this, and they should be able to open it. I'm already logged into this account, so what essentially has happened is that it will also go in here. So if I go to the shared with me, I'm able to see the report that I've shared with that user. So this is the other account that I'm logged into for the purpose of this demo. So that user should be able to click on this report and be able to view the report. But you can see here that the edit option is disabled, so they will not be able to make any modifications to the report. Essentially, they are able to reshare these reports because this link is enabled, and they can interact with the report, but they're not able to make any changes or edit this report. So just to recap, in this video, we've learned how to share the Power BI report with users in the same organization. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.